What if there was a tool that highlighted every video that you should make and double down on or remake at a glance and makes it so much easier for you to directly understand what is pushing your channel? Well, that tool exists, and I'm going to show you how to find it and use it. Here we go.
Okay, so first of all, you need to go to the avatar in the top right-hand corner, and you'll be going down to YouTube Studio. It will load you into your dashboard. Now, I've got a plugin called VidIQ, in which if you go to this link, you can download it for free, and you get a 20% discount because, you know, you love me. If you scroll down on the left-hand side, you'll see that this plugin has given you these new options: competitors, trends, most viewed, channel audit, achievements, and VidIQ Academy. You're looking for channel audit. It's a great tool, and it summarizes very quickly, very visually, how you are doing over the last, in this case, 30 days. So I've got higher views. I'm doing a little less this month than I was last month, so I'm still growing at about 750, 800 subscribers a month. But what you should be looking on is this, content to double down on. It breaks out all of your videos, and it tells you what videos are doing well, when, and how, depending on things, and competitors in that niche doing well as well. So by videos getting views per hour, it shows that the restricted and the playlist and the delete videos are doing really well. Engagement wise, I'm getting much more engagement per view with the videos such as play YouTube in the background without premium. And the thing about the most recent cold and flu thing that's going around, here it suggests the ones that did quite well. These are, you know, newish ones that it's been propelled quite well, right? Here are the ones that have gained me the most subscribers per 1,000 views. So here you go. I've gained 15 more within the last 1,000 views here, right? I've gained 40 off of this one, 12 of which are per 1,000 views. So these are the videos I know I need to make if I want to get more subscribers. These are the ones that I need to make again, or remake, or twist around if I want to get more views. And my competitors, these are the ones that when I've added competitors to the dashboard, these are the ones that they're doing at the moment and how well they are doing at the moment. So I can have a look at the topic. So do I want to make anything on the new Sony lenses? Do I want to make tips for iPhone beginners? Maybe avoiding mistakes, or talking about burnout. There you go, there's two there at the same time talking about burnout. So maybe there's a trend. Maybe you should make a burnout video. So you can use this to know which videos that you need to make now. And you can do that by simply downloading the VidIQ plugin. Once again, links in the description down below. It starts completely free, and you can upgrade as well. If you use my discount code, which is my name, you get a 20% discount.
If you want more tricks and tips on how to grow your YouTube channel using this tool and many others, there's a playlist here. Remember to subscribe for regular YouTube tricks and tip tutorials, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Goodbye.